Imagine a place where history and culture intertwine effortlessly with the azure waters of the Adriatic Sea. Welcome to Trogir, a captivating city nestled on a small island between the Croatian mainland and the Isle of Chiovo. With its rich history that dates back to the Hellenistic period, Trogir is a living testament to the resilience of time. The city's heritage is deeply rooted in the Romanesque era, with remnants of its past visible in its well-preserved architecture. Yet Trogir is not just a Romanesque relic. It's a city that also proudly showcases its Renaissance influence in the form of exquisite palaces and charming courtyards. In recognition of its cultural significance, Trogir has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to its timeless beauty. As the day winds down, the city's stone walls radiate a warm, golden glow, setting the stage for our exploration. As you wander through Trogir's narrow, winding streets, you're stepping into a living museum. This city, with its medieval heart and stone walls whispering tales of yore, is a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Begin your journey at the Cathedral of St. Lawrence, a magnificent edifice that has been standing tall since the 12th century. Its crowning glory is undoubtedly the Radovan's portal, a masterpiece of Romanesque Gothic art, intricately carved by the master sculptor Radovan himself. Every inch of the portal tells a story, each figure a testament to the artist's unparalleled skill and imagination. The cathedral, a symbol of Trogir's resilience and faith, offers an awe-inspiring view of the city from its bell tower. Next, venture forth to the imposing Kamerlengo Castle. Built by the Venetians in the 15th century, this fortress is a testament to Trogir's strategic importance in the Adriatic. With its robust walls and towers, it stands as a sentinel over the city, a silent witness to the ebb and flow of history. As you walk through its ancient corridors, you can almost hear the echoes of battles fought and victories won. Finally, find your way to the city's central square. This vibrant hub is a delightful blend of the past and present. Flanked by palaces and churches, the square is a meeting place for locals and visitors alike, pulsating with life and laughter. Here, the spirit of Trogir truly comes alive. Each of these key attractions offers a glimpse into Trogir's rich past. The city's historical significance is palpable in every stone, every street, every monument. And yet, Trogir is not just a place of history. It's a city that has seamlessly blended the old and the new, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Walking through Trogir feels like stepping back in time, each corner revealing another piece of its rich tapestry of history. Beyond the ancient walls and stunning architecture, the true spirit of Trogir lies in its people and their vibrant culture. The locals lead a relaxed, Mediterranean lifestyle, where time seems to slow down and every moment is savored. Traditional markets bustle with activity, offering a cornucopia of fresh produce, homemade delicacies, and artisan crafts. The local cuisine is a gastronomic delight with a focus on fresh seafood, locally grown olives, and homemade wines. The intoxicating aroma of traditional dishes being prepared wafts through the narrow cobblestone streets, beckoning to all who pass by. Festivals and celebrations are integral to the culture of Trogir. Each year, the city comes alive with music, dance, and pageantry during the traditional summer festival. The warmth and hospitality of the locals are truly infectious, and visitors often find themselves drawn into the festivities, dancing and celebrating into the night. The culture of Trogir is a testament to its people, who continue to preserve their rich heritage while warmly welcoming visitors into their world. Our journey through Trogir has taken us through the annals of time, revealing a city that is as captivating as it is historic. We've walked the cobblestone streets, marveled at the intricately carved stone facades, and felt the warmth of the Mediterranean sun on our faces. We've experienced the silent whispers of history echoing through the ancient walls and corridors of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. We've explored Trogir's key attractions, from the majestic Cathedral of St. Lawrence, with its stunning Romanesque doors, to the imposing Kamerlengo Castle, standing as a silent sentinel over the city. We've immersed ourselves in the rich tapestry of culture, tasting the local cuisine, listening to the lilting local dialect, and meeting the hardworking people who call this city home. Trogir, a city where the past and present coexist in harmony, continues to captivate visitors with its timeless beauty and charm. This is the enchanting allure of Trogir, a city that has and will continue to withstand the test of time.